Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to update your OnlyFans profile settings. So just tap on my browser where I logged in my account. So how often should you update OnlyFans? How often should I post on OnlyFans? 2 to 3 times a day is what works best for most full-time creators, but when you're just starting out, and it makes sense to post even more frequently. So make sure. How do I grow my OnlyFans profile? Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook are great places to connect with a large audience and build a following. Creating engaging content and interacting with your followers can attract new subscribers to your OnlyFans account. So make sure you will be apply this strategy to make good profile. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.